Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make a complaint in Tesco. It's pretty much simple. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Tesco web application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how do you create an account on Tesco? Very simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar in your browser. Now in the search bar, go ahead and type tesco.com. Now that's going to take you to the official website for Tesco. Once you get into the website, at the top right corner of your screen, you're going to find the sign up option. Click on sign up and follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account. After creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Tesco. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's text, which is how to make a complaint on Tesco. Let's say you carried out an activity on Tesco and you're not satisfied, you're displeased, something just happened and you just don't like the service and you want to make a complaint because you want an issue to be resolved. There are two ways to go about that. From this homepage, head over to the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find the contact us. All right, so you can click on this contact us option to contact them directly, or click on help for you to get help with an issue. But if you want to really reach out to them with a complaint directly, go ahead and click on my account, and that's going to take you to the accounts window. From this window right here at the top right corner, again, you're going to find tesco.com, contact us, help, and feedback. Now this feedback is where I'd like you to head over to. So click on feedback and it's going to take you to this window right here. Now it says please rate your site experience. Now you can go ahead and vent. Let them know it's very poor, or let them know it's poor, let them know it's fair, let them know it's good, let them know it's very good. Now here you have your please choose a topic. Choose a topic for your complaints. Now choose any of this. Signing in and out, navigating the website, searching for a product information and details, checking out and payment, general information and order. All right, so click on any of them, and then here this is where you're going to properly vent. Tell them exactly the complaint, tell them exactly the topic or the theme or the elements, the bones and the fibers of your complaints. Go ahead and type it right here. And once you're done typing, ensure that while you're venting, it is not more than 1,000 characters. Now once you're done, you're going to see that this submit button is going to be activated. So click on submit and that's it. Tesco is going to respond to your email. So check email to see, check your email or check your inbox to see if they'll definitely respond to you. But they're definitely going to respond to you, trust me. So this is pretty much the process. This is how you can make a complaint in Tesco. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial, marvelously, helped you search.